Hey everyone, how are you doing? Want to learn how to make perfect soft-boiled eggs with a super smooth yolk? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step recipe and some golden secrets that will save your breakfast. Let's get started. First things first, let's choose our eggs. What size do you prefer? Small, medium, or large? Each size has its own boiling time, but don't worry, I'll explain everything in detail. And now, listen carefully. This is the most important secret. Small eggs boil for 4 to 5 minutes, medium ones for 5 to 6 minutes, and the largest ones for 6 to 7 minutes. Do you like your yolk a little runny, like cream? Just reduce the cooking time by 30 seconds. But before we start our cooking adventure, let's check if our eggs are healthy. How? Place the egg in a glass of water. If it's fresh, it will quickly sink to the bottom, just like a stone. And if it's old, it will float. Pretty easy, right? If you want to boil, then only in boiling water, not in cold water. Otherwise, the egg may crack right in the pot and you'll have a mess. Oh, and if you've just taken the egg out of the fridge, leave it out for 10 to 15 minutes to reach room temperature. Oh no, the egg cracked. Don't panic, stay calm. No need to cry over a cracked egg. Really, there's a secret trick. Add a little bit of vinegar to the water. This will help the egg white to set faster and save your egg. It's not magic, but it definitely works. Peeling a soft-boiled egg is not a child's game. Gently tap the rounded end of the egg, where the air pocket is, and carefully peel off the shell. Don't rush it. And how to serve this amazing creation? The most classic way. In cute little egg cups, with thin slices of toasted bread for dipping in the yolk. By the way, here's an interesting fact. Water boils faster in the mountains, so you might need to boil the egg a little longer. If you live at a high altitude, add 30 to 60 seconds to the cooking time. So let's summarize. The secret to a perfect soft-boiled egg is boiling it for the right amount of time, choosing the right size egg, not adding salt to the boiling water, and giving the egg a cold shower after boiling. And never forget, always check the health of your eggs first. Did you like the tips? Then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new recipes. Do you have your own secret for making the perfect soft-boiled egg? Let us know in the comments. We have some good news for you. This video is available on our channel in English, Spanish, Polish, Portuguese, Hindi, and Russian. Take advantage of this opportunity and check out other versions. Practice different languages and learn tasty recipes along the way.